They lied to you. They said AI would democratize technology. The truth? It created a new elite. Companies are burning the GDP of a small country on AWS credits just to keep a mediocre chatbot alive. If your AI solution requires a 32-gigabyte server and costs $500 a month, you are not an engineer. You are a tenant of expensive infrastructure. I refuse this inefficiency. My philosophy is simple: logic over money. The challenge: build a multimodal AI agent, one that hears, sees, and reasons, and force it to run inside the most hostile environment possible. The free tier of Fly.io with only 256 megabytes of RAM. It is the digital equivalent of performing open heart surgery inside a rusted Volkswagen Beetle. 99% of developers fail in the first minute. Why? Laziness. Most WhatsApp libraries use Puppeteer. They literally launch an invisible, bloated Google Chrome instance just to read a QR code. On a 256 megabyte server, launching Chrome is a death sentence. The Linux kernel kills the process instantly. The solution is surgical. I eliminated the browser. I rewrote the connection layer using pure WebSockets with the Bailey's library. I don't simulate a user. I speak the raw binary language of the WhatsApp protocol. The result? Resting RAM usage dropped from 450 megabytes to just 28. The patient survived the first incision. But connecting via sockets created a new danger. Meta has predatory algorithms. If you reply to 300 clients in 1 second, you get banned. The official API charges you per message to avoid this. I refuse to pay the toll. The solution? Glitching the matrix. I created a jitter algorithm and an event queue. The bot never replies instantly. It reads, waits for a random time calculated based on the response length, sends the typing signal, and only then fires. To Meta's servers, I am not a Python script running at Mach speed. I am a human, typing fast, undetectable, unbannable. Now the server is light and safe, but it's deaf. WhatsApp sends audio in a proprietary format called Opus. Most AIs, including Google Gemini, don't understand this natively. The amateur approach? Save the file to disk, convert it, save it again. Slow, inefficient. It destroys your free disk I/O. The professional approach? Streams. I implemented an FFMPEG pipeline that intercepts the data flow in the RAM. The Opus enters one side, is transmuted into MP3 in real time, and immediately injected into the AI API. The file never touches the hard drive. It's fast, it's dirty, and it works beautifully. We solved RAM, safety, and audio. Now, the financial problem. AI tokens cost money. If your bot uses state-of-the-art AI just to say good morning, you are burning cash. I didn't just build a bot, I built a semantic router, a gatekeeper. Every message passes through a layer of pure JavaScript logic first. Zero cost. Simple commands, menus, FAQs, JS solves them in microseconds, for free. Only when the intent is complex or involves image analysis does the gatekeeper open the gates for Gemini Pro Vision. It is a hybrid system, the speed of traditional code with the cognition of modern AI. There was one final enemy. The free cloud environment is hostile. Servers like Fly.io restart machines randomly to free up resources. They are ephemeral. When the server restarts, the RAM is wiped. Your bot forgets who it is and dies. An amateur would pay for a fixed VPS. I used the architecture to my advantage. I created an external brain. Using persistent volumes mounted on the cloud, the authentication keys are saved outside the volatile container. The server can explode, catch fire, and restart 10 times a day. My agent detects the crash, reads the external brain, and comes back online in 3 seconds, exactly where it left off. Immortal. What you are seeing is not a chatbot. It is a resilient digital employee that doesn't sleep, doesn't eat, but listens, sees, and solves complex problems. It runs on infrastructure that would cost thousands in incompetent hands for absolutely zero. If you want to keep paying the ignorance tax to AWS and OpenAI, good luck. But if you want systems that scale with pure engineering efficiency, we need to talk. Elite Full Stack, link in bio.